Hello everybody, today we're gonna make tandoori chicken. It's so easy recipe. Let's start. First step, I cut the chicken in this way and go to another step. Step, I add in the chicken 2 big spoon of yogurt with 1 teaspoon red chili, with 1 teaspoon of salt, with 1 teaspoon of turmeric, with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I mix it very well and I leave it in the fridge for half hour to 1 hour. Now in the pan, 2 big spoon of oil, cooking oil, with 1 big spoon of butter. Leave the pan to be hot and put the chicken to fry. We fry the chicken first step for 10 minutes. Every 1 minute we take to another side. And every time I change the side of the chicken, I add the sauce. After 10 minutes, I need 1 piece of coal to put in the medium between the chicken with some plate, and add little oil or butter and cover the chicken direct and leave it for low fire for 10 minutes. In this way I will get perfect smoked chicken. After 10 minutes, our chicken is ready with the perfect smell. Hope everybody like it. Thank you for watching. See you for next video.